Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create curved text in Canva, such as you see here. So you could use it for your logo, you could use it for t-shirt designs or for whatever. I'll delete this and then I'm just going to add a heading and I'll say, hello, my name is Bob. So this is the text I want to use. And then I'm simply going to highlight it. And then I'll come to effects. And then come down to where you see curved. I'm going to use that. And that is how you curve it. You can make it less curved or more curved. You can even turn it into a circle like that. Hello, my name is Bob. So, and that is that. So this is how to create curved text in Canva. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.